I'm back with a spring fishing video. Haven't done a video in like 100 years. I was eager to get out and do a little wade fishing, and the water's a little chilly, but it's doable. I'll try it right in the shaded area back there. Hopefully without getting snagged. Oh, I got a fish. That's the first catch of the year. Is it a smallmouth? Probably. Ooh, it's peel and drag a little. It's always exciting, the first catch of the year. First time out fishing. I've only been here for about 10 minutes, so that's definitely a plus. If I can get them up close, it's actually a decent sized bass. It's not bad. It's not a monster, but putting up a nice fight though. Yeah, these hellgrammites, they're just awesome for bass, for smallmouth. Caught so many fish using this lure. It's not even that big. First bass of the year. Well, making my way to another spot upstream that usually produces fish. I haven't caught anything since that one fish. Otherwise, I would have put it in the video. So stay tuned because I have a feeling we're going to be catching some nice fish. At least one or two nice fish over here. So I made my way further upstream to a spot that usually produces a lot of fish. Me and my friend had awesome fishing here last summer. My friend caught a northern pike out of here. I caught some monster smallmouth. Both of us caught some big bass. I caught a big rock bass out of here. So there's usually a lot of fish here. Well, so far nothing. I'm not giving up yet though. Whoa. And I got a fish. I knew there was a fish down there. I always catch at least one fish here. That looks like a nice bass too. I saw it a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That is a nice bass. I think it's a smallmouth. Nice size. Oh, I hope he doesn't break off. I think I got 8-pound test on here. Yeah, that's a big one. That's a nice sized bass there. Yeah, don't break off. Do not break off, please. Do not want to lose this fish. Just trying to tire him out a little bit. That's a really nice smallmouth. Look at that big boy. Might be full of eggs, I don't know. Oh, 18 inches, you can see that. That put up a really nice fight too. Plus I had the current, you know, working against it too. Yeah, the fish is, yep, he swam off. I've only caught 2 bass so far today, but even if I don't catch another one the rest of today, that's fine because that was more than enough. That was so much fun reeling that in. I would love to catch a northern, but I don't think a northern would hit the hellgrammite. If anyone's ever caught a northern pike on a hellgrammite, leave a comment below and let me know. That's usually the hot spot right there. Yeah, I got another one. Ooh, it's a northern. I think it's a northern. It is a northern. I just literally said a few minutes, I asked if any of you guys have ever caught a northern on one of these. I didn't think they would hit a hellgrammite, but here you go. Here's a northern coming my way. It's not a gigantic one, but that's cool. Hopefully he doesn't break off. That was a pleasant surprise. I didn't think you could catch a northern on a hellgrammite, but I learned something new. Pretty cool. I'm back in the water. Make sure he's okay. There he goes. I walked quite a ways upstream from where I caught those two fish. I'm gonna try it over here. It's kind of a whirlpool over there. I'll take one more cast here and then I'm gonna walk a little further upstream. I got a fish. I knew there would be a fish down there. What is it? Oh, this looks like a smallmouth. It's actually a nice size one from what I can see. That's the fourth catch of the day. Strong fish. Yeah, that's a nice one. I don't want to pull too hard. Come on, fishy. It's not a monster, but it's not small either, though. Yeah, that's cool. More shallow over here. Ooh, he's got a... I have to show you guys, he's got an injury on him. Hopefully he doesn't break the line, but he's got a big, something wrong with his gill plate, looks like. That's what it looks like to me, because on the other side, yeah, you can see that one is fully intact, and this one is like torn off, so it's definitely gross, but I feel sorry for him. That sucks. Oh, I don't have my retractable tape measure, but this one's a little over 16 inches. I don't know if you can see that. It's about 16 inches, so it's bigger than I thought. Yeah, I've never seen anything like that before with the gill plate missing on a fish. I'll let him go. I'm gonna start making my way out of here, but if you enjoyed the video, drop me a like, subscribe if you like creek fishing, because that's all I'm gonna be putting up on this channel. This is my favorite way to fish. And before you go, be sure to check out the video you see on the screen where I catch a huge smallmouth on a Nico hellgrammite.